During the holidays, there's so many recipes that call for puff pastry. I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to make a rough puff pastry, which is a much simpler version than the traditional. You start off as you would a pie crust, but when you cut in the butter, you only want to break it up a very little bit. You want to keep the butter nice and big. Then I add a few tablespoons of ice cold water, mix it in, and continue adding water until it's a shaggy dough that holds together when pressed with your hands. I then use plastic wrap to kind of shape it into a thin rectangular shape, and then I refrigerate it for 1 hour. And after the first hour, it's time to start the rolling and the folding. So I start by rolling out the dough into about a 12 by 9 inch rectangle and folding it into thirds. I then turn it over and then roll it out again and then fold it in thirds again. Then I repeat the rolling, the folding, and chilling 2 more times, and through this process the dough becomes a lot less rough looking and we're kind of creating a faux lamination. And once you're done with your final fold, you can either freeze the dough until you're ready to use it, or you can let it chill 1 or 2 hours and use it as desired. Here I just baked off a square to show the flakiness, but you could use it with baked brie, danishes, any way you'd use puff pastry.